Hi there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Richard, and in this video we're going to practice landing on a grass strip. And there are several grass fields around the area. Let me bring up the map here. Okay, so there's a grass strip over here that we did a cross country to, or we will do maybe I guess I already filmed it. And there's a grass strip down here called SC82. I'm going to click on it. And it's called Oak Hill Air Park. Got two runways, runway 10 and 28. And let's see, it has a field elevation of 837. I'm just going to round that up to 900. And so what I want to do is do a final approach into runway 10. So here we go. Start a new one, yes. Okay, let's put away the map, and we're, let's see here. Let me get closer up here. We're at, can't tell yet because I haven't turned the. Yeah, when you do this, but that's the grass strip out there somewhere. And so what I'm going to do is go to the HUD view and brighten it up and release pause. And I tell you what, I'm going to go back to the regular view so I can watch the stuff wind up. Here we go, releasing pause. Grabbing the stick. So we're about 17 or 1800 feet here, and we're coming in, adding power. When I do this, the power's always in idle, so it's one of the first things you got to do is add the power. Okay. So let's just stay about where we are here. In fact, we can go ahead and start a descent here. I'm going to leave the power about there and just start lowering the nose and coming in. Now I can also go to here. I can see the grass strip out there. It's, let's see, where'd it go? Go back this way. The grass strip is right there. So as I get closer, I will be able to distinguish it better for landing. A little early yet to put down the flaps. Going to get a little closer, going to get a little lower. All right, so 900 feet, we want to go ahead and just drop on down to 1,400 feet, which would be 500 feet above the ground. Going to maintain my 40 to 45 at this point. When we get down to 500 feet and we get a little closer, we will put down the flaps, but it's a little early yet. Okay. Tell you what I'm going to do here. Make it easier. I'm going to lean to the left here, and so I can see that little tiny strip out there we're going to land at. Airspeed's a little high, still keeping about a 400 foot per minute rate of descent. You can line up with the runway even sitting to the left here. So we're at 1,600 feet, coming down to 1,500 feet, 400 to 500 feet per minute rate of descent. Pull the power back even a little bit more. There we go. Gentle nudges of the joystick. Okay, we're about at 1,400 feet here. Going to level off. Going to put down one click of flaps. Okay, there goes one kick of flaps. The nose kicks up a little bit. Second click of flaps. Nose kicks up a little bit. Adding a bit of power for the extra drag. Trying to hold between 35 and 40 at this point. We look pretty well aligned. I'm going to keep going on a descent here. Airspeed looks good. Descending 400 or 500 feet a minute. I'm going to go ahead and back to my normal view at this point. And if I need to, I can see it, but I'm just going to pretend that I know exactly where it is. There it is. Okay. So here we go. Okay. And we can go ahead and lower the nose a little more, pull the power back a little more, get a little bit better rate of descent. I'm going to land in about the middle of the runway, so I'm not going to try to hit short or anything. And in just a few seconds here, I'm going to go to my chase view. Okay, airspeed is coming down, chase view. Let's just go ahead and land straight ahead here. And that's how it's done. I still got my nose up. I'm going to lower the nose. Okay. I don't use brakes very much, but if you want to, you can. It's not much different than landing on a regular field. The only thing you don't want to do, and let me look forward here for a minute. You can see there's a difference in the color of the grass. Here's one edge of the grass strip. Here's the other edge of the grass strip. We're slightly right of center here, but you don't want to land out here in these fields in the dirt because this is a prepared grass strip and X-Plane knows it. So that's a nice landing. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for more videos.